Greetings. I am Annat Kaur, studying in Delhi Public School, R.K. Puram, and I'm 13 years old. For me, innovation is not just showing my creative side of the mind, but it is more about finding a solution to all the problems that this world faces. So, sharing an incident. Once I read somewhere that sitting at one place for a long time can be really bad for our health and can lead to various diseases. Struck by this, I made a full scale solution for this problem and could at least help some close friends and relatives. Like this, I've made various other projects with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Python, etc. I'd say I have a knack for innovation and I just can't stop innovating. For me, innovation is a differentiator. What about you? Beginning with the first idea, it is a solution or an idea that I've made using a photosensor. So here's how it is. So this is my workstation. I get fresh and nice daylight during the day. I also have this overhead lamp which I switch on when the weather is cloudy or when sufficient daylight is not there in this room. So generally when I start my day, I switch this lamp on because early in the morning there is not sufficient daylight in this room. Now soon after I get busy with my work and I forget to switch this lamp off. One more challenge that I face is that when there is sufficient daylight in the room, I do not switch this overhead lamp on. But soon after there is less daylight or it starts to get evening to night, I forget to switch this lamp light on, and hence there is very less daylight in the room, which can affect my eyes. So, to overcome these problems, I have made this project. I have linked the overhead lamp to this relay, which is controlled by this photodetector. What is a photosensor? A photosensor is a sensor that detects daylight in the room. And as the light goes below 300 lux, this overhead lamp will automatically turn on. So let me show you a demo. Now I will draw the curtains. Now as there is less daylight in the room, the light has automatically turned on. Now let me draw back the curtains. Now, as it has sensed light, sensed daylight, the light has automatically turned off. Now I present my second idea. So it's often observed that we can use PIR sensors, another PIR sensor being the major one, to see whether there's a movement in the room, and if it is, then switch on the light automatically. But many times it is also like we come in a room for just 1 second, we wait for a while, 2 to 3 seconds, and then we go out again. Now the PIR sensor senses that, and then it automatically switches the light on, and in just another 1 second we go out of the room, and then again as it senses it, the light has to switch off again. Now it can lead to the switch or the light bulb maybe bursting out, and it is not a good way of saving electricity, right? So for this I have thought of another idea. So the first one was something else that was primarily connected or was primarily around photosensors, but the second one is more of using an ultrasonic sensor and a relay. So we in this lockdown we have all been sitting in front of our laptops for quite some time, almost all of the day, right? Now I thought of why not why not see whether somebody is sitting or not by using an ultrasonic sensor attached to the computer, and then maybe give a command to the relay to do something. So what I did was that I placed an ultrasonic sensor on the tip of the computer here, where the webcam's there. So just there I placed an ultrasonic sensor. So now
so it senses whether a person is sitting on or not at a particular distance. I've given that distance in the code. So that was based on various like I tested it many times. Okay, what's the distance, what should be the ideal distance, and what is the actual distance, and then I set up a fair enough distance between the computer and a laptop as a condition. Now in this I've also added a provision that suppose the person sits down for just 1 second or quite less time and then goes out again. So it will be a similar situation as the PIR. It will switch on for 1 sec, light will switch on for 1 second, and then it will be off. So it will again lead to bulb burning out and all. So for that, what I've done is I've added a timer kind of a thing into the Arduino, and what it does is that so it senses that, okay, ultrasonic sensor senses me. Now it senses that for complete maybe uh, repetitive times, like maybe for first time it checks, then maybe after one other second it checks. So it does that 3 to 4 times, after which it makes a conclusion that, okay, I think the person is sitting here and will keep sitting, so I don't need to switch the light off. And if like after successive sensing, if the person maybe like first it senses the person is sitting, in the second sensing the person is again sitting, but in the third sensing the person gets on, moves, or goes to some other place, then the light will not switch on. It will only switch on if a person is there at that place for a stipulated time, and that is coded in the Arduino code. So this is a small demonstration of the project. So this is my laptop, okay? So as soon as I will move from here, you'll see complete darkness. Supposedly I go into the next room, so I'll go there. So this is the way. So you see that the light has automatically turned off. See, the bulb is not on right now. The light is automatically off. Now as I'll come back and I'll sit back here, you'll see that the light automatically turns on. So wait for 5 seconds. 1, and the light's on. See, the light's on. Because so what I have done in this is that there is this ultrasonic sensor that I have put here on my laptop tip here. So as soon as this senses me sitting on the chair in front of it, the light automatically turns on. And as soon as it does not sense anybody, because like I am not sitting on my chair, then it will not be able to bounce back the rays. So it assumes that there's no person sitting, and it switched the light off automatically. See that there's a relay here. Okay, so this is the relay that is there, which is switching the light on and off accordingly. And this is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the whole code that is present. Okay, let me take another angle. Okay, so this is in what all of my coding, all of the constructions are there in this box, so that it is safe and secure. So I've made all the constructions in this. Okay, so all the connections of the relay to the ground and to the 5 volts, all of it is done here, and it is then connected to this ultrasonic sensor, which if it senses me, the light will automatically turn on, and if it does not sense anybody, the light will automatically turn off. I had also made a same project that is there in the drawing room. What I have done there is that I have put the same thing on Papa's laptop, and it is connected to the fan. So as soon as the ultrasonic sensor will sense someone sitting, the fan will automatically turn on, and as soon as there's no person, if it does not sense any person over specified distance, the fan will automatically turn off. And this would, now these were 2 solutions or 2 ideas that I had. So they not only reduce the amount of energy we use in our house, but it also ensures that at no point in time there's less light in the room, or there is over extra light or unnecessary light, and which is good for the environment as well, and for our eyes, and maybe our health betterment as well, primarily the eyes. So I really I had heard a lot about how to control lights using the Arduino, but had never seen that, okay, how can I control it using my laptop? And then I sat down and I thought that okay, now we use the laptop the most, so why not use that as a medium to predict whether we are sitting here or not, and then control the light. And this was the thing I arrived at. So through this, I think it can be easily implemented. It never took me more than an hour to code and maybe deploy the whole Arduino and the circuits and all. I just had to connect the relay to the Arduino. There was simple connections, and then that to the a light bulb. And then I felt that it can be implemented by anybody. All that's required is an initiative, and that's all we need today, literally. So let's do it. Let's not um, unnecessarily keep the lights on even when we are not there, and let's automate the switching on and off of a light. Maybe human efforts will be less. We will not have to switch off the light every time we go out, or every time we come inside. Machine will do it. Arduino will do it. So human efforts are also reducing. So why not go for Arduino and all to control the lighting of your room? It'll surely have an edge over everything.